Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the OS and that accessibility services are available because behavior differs across platforms. Once done, open Settings and navigate directly to Accessibility, then Screen Reader. Enable the main toggle. You should hear an initial announcement. If there are options for verbosity or speech rate, set them to moderate so you can follow prompts. Make sure audio output is correct and volume is audible. This immediate activation gets the reader running and exposes the controls you'll adjust next. Now you configure voice and navigation so the reader communicates clearly. Select a voice profile and set a comfortable speech rate. Test with the sample phrase until you understand timing and clarity. Then enable keyboard shortcuts or gesture navigation appropriate to your device because knowing how to move focus prevents frustration. Adjust verbosity and punctuation settings to control how much detail you hear. Once these choices are tuned, practice moving between headings and controls to confirm navigation. Finish by running a short walkthrough of common apps and a web page to confirm the reader announces elements correctly. If speech drops out or commands don't register, restart the device first, because this clears transient audio or service conflicts. If restarting fails, check for OS or app updates and reset accessibility settings to defaults if needed. And if issues persist, try a different voice or external audio device. One key tip: always test after each change so you can isolate what fixed or broke behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.